Gentlemen, good news. With a 24-hour volume of $1 billion, XRP has eclipsed Bitcoin and Ethereum. As a result, in terms of XRP volume, it is the second most traded altcoin after Korean exchange Bithumb rivals Coinbase. By the way, why has the ODL services, part of Ripple's website, been renamed Ripple Payments? Furthermore, market depth increased to an average of $12 million in early September, indicating that XRP liquidity has improved. Finally, why was XRP removed from the token green list of the New York Department of Financial Services? The trading volume of XRP in the recent 24 hours has outpaced that of the previous day by at least 50%, according to CoinMarketCap data. The roughly $1.03 billion figure is a 68.97% increase over the previous day. As more crypto market participants come to trade the digital asset, XRP seeks to stay above $0.05 per unit. In reaction to the increasing liquidity, XRP has surged to $0.51, with its 7-day cumulative performance currently over 8%. Except for stablecoins, XRP's $1.03 billion in 24-hour trade ranks it third behind the market leaders, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Furthermore, its volume is more than double that of BNB. Notably, BNB was $431 million behind XRP, signifying a 140.1% percentage disparity. The largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, accounted for 15.3% of the overall XRP trading volume, which comprised both centralized and decentralized trading platforms. In the preceding 24 hours, Binance users exchanged around 315 million XRP worth approximately $160 million. Meanwhile, Binance's biggest competitor, Coinbase, only saw a fraction of the XRP volume Binance needed in the exchange service scene. Users of Coinbase, in particular, only traded about 50 million XRP. Furthermore, XRP traded at a higher volume on Korean exchanges than it did on Coinbase in the United States. Bithumb, for example, placed second in XRP volume after Binance, with $29,700,000. It's worth mentioning that this amount surpassed Bithumb's $3.3 million in Bitcoin trade volume. Similarly, on Korbit, a South Korean marketplace, XRP was the most traded cryptocurrency. Upbit and Coinon are two more Korean trading platforms that have seen significant XRP volume increases. On the Upbit platform in July, XRP demanded more than $2 billion in 24 hours. The frenzy resulted in substantial cash. Following the month's courtroom triumph, please remember to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell if you want to be the first to hear about new changes. About the recent developments about XRP. Ripple's ODL, on-demand liquidity. XRP is a cross-border payment system that enables quick and low-cost transactions. ODL, on-demand liquidity, from Ripple, is a cross-border payment service that enables quick and cost-effective transactions. ODL is one of Ripple's most popular services among financial institutions. ODL uses XRP as a bridge currency for settlements. The ODL section of Ripple's official website has been removed. The action scared market players and investors. Daikoku, an early XRP investor, was one of those who expressed concerns. Ripple's VP of Strategy and Operations, Emi Yoshikawa, responded to Daikoku's claims to clarify the situation. Yoshikawa claims that ODL was not removed from the website, but rather renamed Ripple Payments. She went on to say that the rebranding was meant to make the service more approachable and understandable to individuals with less knowledge of cryptocurrency jargon. The redesign indicates a shift away from crypto jargon and toward more straightforward language. It corresponds to a broader trend in the Bitcoin business, in which companies are adopting mainstream jargon for their services. Despite the rebranding, users may expect Ripple Payments to function similarly to ODL. Rather than a shift in offerings, the rebranding aims for simplification and widespread adoption. Notably, the extent of Ripple's collaborative network has only risen. Major financial institutions such as Tranglo, MoneyGram, SBI Remit, and PayPal use Ripple payment services. In 2022, Tranglo predicts a 1,700% increase in ODL usage. Tranglo traffic on ODL increased from $53 million in 2021 to $970 million in 2022. In the first half of 2023, the figure grew to $2 billion. Ripple will work with Tranglo to expand its services to 3 more countries. Among them are the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia. Ripple's extensive global partner network will facilitate seamless fund transfers. The scalability, cost-effectiveness, and speed of Ripple's payment method have enhanced its appeal. The company's services are unaffected by the renaming. Instead, it makes Ripple's services easier to understand for everyone. Kaiko also noted that the enhancement, according to Kaiko, the surge in liquidity was caused by the decision in the Ripple vs. SEC case. The ruling in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit resulted in a surge in liquidity. Notably, XRP's trade volume and price both skyrocketed shortly after the verdict. The asset's value reached an all-time high of $0.93. Simultaneously, on July 13, the 24-hour trade volume reached $10.3 billion, the most since September 7, 2021. However, following the rapid gains, both the volume and price of XRP plummeted. Liquidity, according to Kaiko's recent announcement, did not see similar declines. Following the decision, XRP's 1% market depth surpassed the $12 million mark. Even when the price and volume plummeted, market depth remained rather stable. The sum of all buy and sell orders for a certain asset on a specific trading platform or exchange is known as market depth. It provides supply and demand information for that asset, serving as a reliable indicator of the token's liquidity. More market depth means more liquidity. High liquidity is essential for the overall health of the XRP market, since it reduces the chance of huge price movements from whale trades, reducing the possibility of market manipulation. It also facilitates commerce. Shortly after its listing, XRP enjoyed an extraordinary climb to $50 on the US-based trading site Gemini. This extraordinary rise was caused by a short market depth on Gemini, which resulted in a huge price shift from a single transaction. The Gemini situation graphically illustrates the impact of a lack of market depth or liquidity on XRP. As a result, the relative consistency in market depth provides traders with comfort and signals that XRP is still popular. Unlike the price and volume, XRP's 1% depth has not returned to the pre-court victory levels. According to Kaiko, market depth expanded from $8 million in June to $12 million in early September. This increase increased liquidity by 50%. Despite a decline from $12 million, market depth has remained significantly higher than $10 million. Binance and Bitstamp have far higher XRP depths, with $2.5 million and $1 million in plus 2% depth, respectively, according to CoinMarketCap data. Amid persistent liquidity, XRP has reclaimed and secured a position over $0.50. With a 7.5% increase in the last 7 days, the asset is striving to recoup its value. I've been absent since July 13. The price of XRP is currently $0.50, up 2.3% in the previous 24 hours. Now for today's major question. Why was XRP removed from the New York Department of Financial Services green list of tokens? XRP has been removed from the New York Department of Financial Services green list of cryptocurrency tokens. Please keep in mind to subscribe to our channel and to activate the notification bell to be among the first to hear about new XRP developments. The New York Department of Financial Services has updated its list of approved tokens and custody. According to a Fortune article published yesterday, the DFS removed more than 24 cryptographic assets from the list, including XRP. Aside from XRP, the DFS also removed Dogecoin and Litecoin from the green list. The regulator's green list now only includes 8 crypto assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and PayPal dollar. The latest action is part of the New York Department of Financial Services' efforts to upgrade its virtual currency and crypto sector supervision structure. To provide context, the DFS regulator created the token green list for crypto supervision. Previously, New York Department of Financial Services license holders could list and custody tokens on the green list through a self-certification approach. When two New York Department of Financial Services license holders self-certify a token, it is considered self-certified. The crypto asset would be added to the green list for listing or custody automatically. Even though tokens might be added to the green list via the self-certification mechanism, the process was still monitored by the DFS. In its new guidelines, the DFS claimed that it has updated its token green list, lowering the list of authorized tokens to only 8. Notably, XRP has been added to the list of withdrawn crypto assets. The list now includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins. The news generated predictable reactions from members of the crypto community, notably XRP supporters. Wrath of Conman, a well-known XRP influencer, commented on the X platform, emphasizing that the new development is unrelated to Ripple. Wrath of Conman, who initially labeled the Fortune report petty due to the headline, has been directed to the fact that the development does not imply that Ripple or any of its entities has lost its payment license in New York. He emphasized that the development implies that NYDS license holders may only have custody of digital assets on the green list. In contrast, XRP was removed from the list. It is worth noting that Ripple holds a BitLicense from the New York Department of Financial Services. The premier blockchain company was the second crypto startup to be given a BitLicense in 2016. Furthermore, attorney John Deaton, a well-known crypto advocate and lawyer who is representing thousands of XRP holders in the SEC, Ripple litigation, reacted cynically to the news. No, this isn't a political or punitive move, he clarified. Attorney Deaton stressed the importance of the New York. After discovering that XRP was not a security, the Department of Financial Services removed it from its green list, adding that the coin is also not a security if Ripple Labs sells it on digital exchanges. During the July legal battle between the SEC and Ripple Labs, the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York ruled that XRP was not a security. The court also ruled that programmatic XRP sales on digital exchanges are not securities. Surprisingly, the ruling prompted a relisting of XRP, which had previously been delisted due to the SEC case. While many expected XRP to see further positive regulatory developments, the token has been removed from the list of authorized coins for listing and custody by the New York Department of Financial Services. So, gentlemen, this video has concluded. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. This has greatly aided my comprehension of the YouTube algorithm. Also, by sharing this video with as many people as possible, you can help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. You should not miss any of our content if you are a serious Bitcoin fan. We'll talk about the latest news tomorrow. That has ramifications for the entire community.